Good day, I'm Engineer Ejike Ejua. I'm welcoming you to our online tutorial on software development. Kindly watch our this week tutorial.
HTML beginner tutorial. Build your first web page. Instructor/coordinator Engineer Ejike Njoa, powered by Machpadaco Global Services. Learning objectives. 1. Structure a valid HTML document using doctype HTML, HTML, head and body tags. Understand elements, tags, and attributes in HTML. Use at least 5 HTML elements like headings, paragraph, list, links, and images. Apply attributes like href, src, alt, title, and target. 5. Understand the importance of alt attributes for accessibility. What you will build: a simple, well-structured web page with 1. A main title and subtitle. 2. A paragraph with emphasized text. 3. An image with accessibility attributes. 4. A list with nested items. And 5. An internal and external link. Step-by-step procedure. Step 1. Create an HTML file. Open your code editor like VS Code and create a file named index.html. Step 2. Start with a valid HTML document structure, that is doctype HTML, as you can see it display on the screen. Every HTML coding starts with an open tag !doctype HTML. Then below it you have your HTML open tag, which will close with HTML close tag. In between the HTML open and close tag, you have the head open tag and the head close tag. In between the head open and close tab, you have your title. Here I'm using Machpadaco web page. The title also has an open and close title. In between the open and close title, you write your title. Here I'm using Machpadaco web page. Then the head is closed. Then beneath the head you have the body. We start with a body open tag and close with a body close tag. In between the body open and close tag, that is where you write your content, or you do your coding, H1, H2, whatever coding you want to do. Step 3. Add headings. We have H1 open tag. In between H1 open and close tag, we write what we want. Here I'm writing welcome to Machpadaco Global Services. Then the next line is H2. We have H2 open and close tag. In between it, I will now write about us. Step 4. Add a paragraph with emphasis. As usual, we use our P open tag. In between our P and close open tag, we put the wordings or the write-up that we want to use. Here my write-up reads, Machpadaco Global Services is a company that is determined to bridge the gap in the tech industry. So as you can see, I have strong with an open tag. In between the strong, open and close tag, I have more importantly. Then I continue by offering free online training to the public. Then I also have an open tag EM. In between the open and the close tag EM, we also train people in affiliate marketing. The strong and the EM is an example of emphasis in HTML. Then I now continue my write-up and also partner with Asinonet Limited. Then I now close my paragraph close tag. Step 5. Insert an image. Here the image has only open tag. We now have img space as src is equals to quotation mark img slash the name of the image dot the type of the image quotation close. Then we now have alt is equals to, here we now put the name of the image that you are using in between open and close quotation mark. Then we now put width is equal to, then we now put in between open and close quotation mark 200. That width there is a styling. We are styling the image inside the HTML. Then we now have title, sample image for HTML practice. So we will now move to the next step, step 6. Create a list with nested list. Here I have my H3 open and close tag. In between it, I will now write our services. Then I will be using ordered list. Then we now have my open and close order list. In between it, I will now have my list open tag. Web development, I will now close it with a close tag. Then I will now repeat it with the services we are offering: environmental consultancy, affiliate marketing. Then I will now close my ordered list. Step 7. Add links. We now have a heading H3 useful links. Then I now close it. Then I now have a link starting with an open tag, a space href is equals to quotation mark hashtag top quotation mark. Then we now close the open tag. Then in between the a href and the close tag, I will now write back to top. Then I will now close my link with a close tag of a. Then as you can see, you will see BR inside greater and less symbol. That BR is telling the coding that the next write-up should come below. Then below it is also a link. This time around is an external link that will be directing us to an external website. It will take us outside the website that we are operating in. So as you can see, we have the code display on the screen. Summary of tags used. As you can see from the table on the screen, I have my tag and then I have my purpose. H1 to H6 represents headings, P represents paragraph, strong and IM represents emphasis, then img represents image, ul/ol/li represent list, then a tag represents links. So let's look at our weekly apply learning assignment. For this week, complete the following tasks and submit your work through the email that you are seeing on the screen. Take a screenshot of your completed web page, insert it into a Google slide and share the slide link. Assignment 2. Build a web page with HTML. Task: create a simple web page using HTML that includes the following elements. Add a header with a title H1 and subtitle H2. Write a formatted paragraph with p tag using emphasis strong or EM to emphasize text. 3. Insert an image img with alt, width and a title attribute. 4. Create a list, ordered or unordered, with at least one nested list. 5. Add an internal link within the page and an external link that opens in a new tab. Screenshot and submission guide. Open your HTML file in a web browser. Take a clear screenshot using your full web page. Open Google Slides. Insert the screenshot into a slide. Share the Google slide via a link. Make sure it's viewable and send it to the email address displayed on the screen.
Thank you for watching our this week tutorial. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel, like, share and comment for one-on-one training on software development and affiliate marketing. Or if you wish we build your website for you, kindly contact us on 08036422829. We also partner with Azinonet Limited, African First Digital Contributory Scheme, where we show you how to raise capital for that business of your dream. Thank you. May God bless you all.